All right, today we're gonna show you how to fix a dripping faucet.
First thing you do is go underneath your sink cabinet, turn off your shut-off valves, open the faucet, make sure the lines are drained.
That's right.
Then you use this Allen key, and you'll find a little set screw right here on your handles.
Yeah.
Maybe a little tight, especially if it's been there.
Tight's usually a good thing.
I like it when it's tight.
Me too. With no hair on it.
They are tight too.
I bet. All right, take it if I can bolt off of there. Work the piece up out of the hole. There's the piece. And you're gonna replace it with a new one. And how do you know what piece? Go to your local hardware store and ask them, and they'll show you what. This one came from Ace Hardware. Go ahead and put the new one in and tighten the shit back down. Put your handle back on.
No. This one's different. It's doing the same thing as that one did to me.
What's that?
Make sure that's right. Yeah, that's right.
Use your Allen wrench and tighten your handle back down. That's right. Then the cold water side's done. You can flip down and do the hot water side. You don't usually have to do them both, but the people that own this house want to do both of them. If you're trying to decide which one is leaking, get down underneath the sink and turn one water supply line off and see if it's dripping. If it still is, you know it's the other one. Tighten that little nut back down on top of it, motherfucker. Not too tight. Put your handle back on.
wants to go down all the way. You had to watch the spacing on these. That plastic called. Yeah.
Right.
Now the handle goes all the way down.
That's what your supply lines back there. They're gonna turn them motherfuckers back on. Go ahead and turn that fucking water back on. Hot and cold. And then we'll go ahead and test it, make sure the shit's right and ain't dripping. Everything's running. There you go. It's hot. Test it cold. Cold. And your faucet is now rebuilt. It will not drip any longer. So if you like this video and you found it informative, subscribe to Get Go TV and leave a comment if you have any questions. And good luck with your plumbing project.